if your drawing in Procreate calls for clouds, you can always draw clouds yourself in any style you want. You can also go into brushes, go into elements. The very bottom, there's a brush called clouds. And you can just paint in clouds from that brush. Different sizes will give you different effects. But what I like to do for clouds is under elements, there's also a brush called oceans. And I like to use the ocean brush for clouds. So with some white to start with, on my brush size around 20%, I'm just going to put in some clouds and make my brush a little bigger. And different pressures will give you the light and darks. I'm going to get a gray color now, go on top of that, spread that around, go even darker. Go back to white one more time. Just hit the top with it a little bit. Now, if you want to go one step further, you can even go to Gaussian blur and slightly blur your clouds if you want to go for that kind of look. That's a real easy way to turn the ocean into clouds. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.